Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download voicemails from iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To perform this task, start by navigating to your home screen and tap on the phone app. In case the app is not readily available on the home screen, simply swipe left to access the app library. Once in the phone app, locate and open the voicemail section. From there, select the specific voicemail message you wish to manage and tap on the share icon. Now, you have the option to choose between add to notes or save to files to effectively store the voicemail for future reference. Step 3. If your intention is to share the voicemail with others, proceed by selecting your preferred method of sharing, whether it's through messages, mail, or airdrop. You have the flexibility to choose the most suitable platform to distribute the voicemail to your intended recipients. These steps offer a comprehensive guide on how to access, save, and share voicemail message using the phone app on your device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.